So good day ma'am. Then may represent my code on stocks. So naano naman natin, it's defined a simple problem or program that to manage with the 3 stocks and allows the stocks. So yung yung ano natin dito ma'am, yung class stocks to defines, tinatawag na lang natin siyang stocks, which represents stock structure or data structure. It's behind the following methods. So yung self, so itong nga ma'am, diff init. So yung diff init, nag-i-initialize siya ng empty list by self items to store the elements of the stocks. Then dun na rin ma'am, katulad din siya ng ginawa ko sa diff push, pop is empty, tapos yung height. Yung self push naman ma'am is append to item to end the stocks, tapos yung pop naman is nagre-remove sa to return the last item, tapos yung MP po nagche-check siya, check if the empty to return with or to return, mamimili siya kung true or false yung mangyayari. Then height naman is naman siya, height self, nagre-return naman siya to the number of elements in the stock with represent on its side. Then dito naman ma'am sa def int na ginawa ko, so def int na ginawa ko is to stocks. Ito na, nag-create it's create list, umano ko ng create list of 3 separate stocks by using elements. So ito naman yung sa variables. Then inside ito naman yung inside the loop. Ito na yung loop. Yun lang yung loop na ginawa ko. Then the stocks in space separate. Inside the loop ma'am, it's allowed using to input. Ito na yun ma'am, yung input na inano ko. Tapos ito na. So yun nga ma'am, nagka-calculate siya. Nagka-calculate and display to hide each stocks. Then the number of elements. Ito naman ma'am, to find yun na nga ma'am, to find the minimum of 3 stocks. Dito ko siya ginawa, dito sa while 3 problems na to. And then ayun na ma'am, main height, dito ko na lang nilagay ma'am yung for loops. Ayan